Want to catch bugs in your JavaScript code before they ruin your project? Let me show you how Jest can make your life simpler, even with a single line of. Today, we'll learn how to use Jest Testing Library with two basic JavaScript functions. One is a summation, and another is to copy a array. Let's set up VS Code. As you can see, this is a completely backend project with two simple JavaScript codes. One is sum.js. This is a function for making sum, and another is copy array using spread operators. First of all, I need to export this function, and also for here. Okay. Now let me install the Jest for you. First of all, npm init to initialize your backend project.json file. Then let me install npm I Jest. This is a dev dependency, so we can install as dev dependency. Now start making the test functions. For this, we use a naming convention like this: the name of the file, and then test.js. It is I'm using JavaScript for this, that's why. Now start writing here. Now let me modify the package.json file to use Jest. You can see this boilerplate code. I just need to change it to Jest, and that's it. Now let's start writing our first testing. What we can do is, this is a common JS button, that's why I need to do this. First of all, you just need to write what you want to achieve. This is the thing you will see in the terminal. This will help anyone to understand what the test is for. So here I am writing 1 plus 2 equal to 3, which should be the output. Then this needs a callback function. You can write any function you want, and then uh, my code suggestion is giving me, but okay. Expect is something you are expecting, like this function should give you the output. Sum is the function, so let me use the function sum, and 1 and 2 are the arguments, and then what it is the output you are assuming it will give you, that is to be. Just that's it. Now let me show you the output: npm run test, and that's it. You can see we have passed 1, and that is this, and you can see here the message which we have put here, and this is the time it has spent here. Now let me show you for the copy array. We need to write like that. This is the naming convention we follow. Okay, let me write it for you. Okay, you can see we are using common JS, that's why we need to do like this. Otherwise you can have something different also for the ES module function. Okay, here you can see this is actually copies the array, this function. What it is we are doing, we are having a array which is original, and then copying the array using that copy array function, and then checking that expect this copy is equal to this original and should not be equal to this. This is to be. To be means uh, you can see can already know the spread operator that is copies only the values and make a different memory location. They make the array in different memory location. That's what we are checking here. That's it. And it is the same, we are checking the value. Okay, let me try it again with the same command. you can. Okay, we have passed two test cases. One is from copy array and another from sum, and that's it. This is the way by which we write test cases in Jest. In the upcoming video, I'll show you how we can write test cases for React, Next.js, etc. That will be more beneficial for you in your production environment or anything. If you found this video helpful, hit like and share with your friends.